Join us at UW-Platteville for the Explore Engineering Summer Program. Are you a high school sophomore, junior, or senior interested in learning about engineering? Have you completed your Algebra 1 course? Then you're eligible to attend. During the week-long program, you'll have the opportunity to explore the world of engineering through hands-on projects in 8 different engineering-related disciplines. The program features the same curriculum offered in the Introduction to Engineering Projects course, and you can even earn college credit for completing it. In addition to lab-based courses with UW-Platteville professors, the program also offers the chance to stay in a residence hall and participate in social and team-building activities with current college student mentors. It's a great opportunity to see if engineering and UW-Platteville are right for you. Register today for the Explore Engineering Summer Program at UW-Platteville. Hurry, sessions fill quickly, so get registered today.